Okay, this is pretty weird. I was like totally unaware. When did the birds just like start taking over? Like, what is that? Okay, that's weird. Am I wrong in saying that's weird? Because did you see that? That was like 10,000 birds. They're all over the place. I don't know. I mean, we're Missouri. We're not that far south, and it's not really that cold. So what's happening? Oh my god, dude, they're everywhere. I'm just gonna go back inside now before they come into my house. Look at that tree out there. That's completely covered in birds. Okay. I don't want any in my house. You can tell my dogs are just terrified of the birds. That is a lot of birds.